Well, it is not the kind of thing that you want to be known for, but Orkin Pest Control says that Baltimore and D.C. have more bed bug infestation cases than any other city in America. There's one local man, though, who's fighting back. Only on 7, our Kevin Lewis introduces us to a Maryland man known as the bed bug lawyer.
Some lawyers savor blood sucking, but attorney Dan Whitney despises it.
Typically, our clients do a Google search for bed bug lawyer, and we pop up.
Whitney, who's practiced law in Maryland since 1979, fell into the niche bedbug legal market after his daughter returned from a EuroTrip in 2010 with multiple bites.
And that was the first time I've heard about bed bugs since I was a child, when my father would say, "Sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite."
Whitney's numerous court filings read like horror novels, with words and phrases like fed upon, nocturnal parasites, infestation, biohazard, and blood meals.
There's something about bed bugs that really disturb people, and they realize that it's something that shouldn't be tolerated.
So far, Whitney's filed more than 115 cases in places as far as Seattle, San Antonio, Orlando, and Philadelphia, but he focuses on Maryland and D.C. One suit lodged against the Courtyard Marriott in downtown Silver Spring after this woman said she was bitten 50 times during her birthday weekend. In a different case, a lady staying at the Wood Spring Suites in Camp Springs, Maryland, claimed she woke up with welts on her back and chest, plus blood-stained sheets.
And so they weren't held to account. That's changing now.
To date, Whitney's recovered more than $9 million from hotels, apartment complexes, hospitals, nursing homes, campgrounds, and even a furniture store.
The largest verdict was $800,000. The next highest was $225,000.
It was painful, it was hurting, they were fatigued.
Client Shamila Rana told us she, her husband, and 2 young boys were literally eaten alive while staying at this Fairfield Inn by Marriott in Lower Manhattan.
I have nothing to sit on now. There are bed bugs everywhere.
The family vacationing from Birmingham, England, recorded this video on a cell phone, capturing live bugs and bloodstains.
There was no doubt, when the manager came and she had a look.
The hotel moved the Ranas to a different room, but their personal belongings were left quarantined. Then, the night before flying home, Shamila was in the ER with a 102-degree fever.
We were literally traumatized by the whole thing. Our trip was ruined, and even when we came back, the kids were off school.
The Rana family case is still pending.
Why not do things the right way?
Because they take the short-term view. They feel as though that they can get away with it.
And Whitney explains he's unaware of any federal laws regulating bedbug extermination, due in part, he says, to lobbyists working for the hospitality industry.
In terms of trying to lobby Congress on behalf of individuals, that's not going to happen. They're totally outgunned.
Your best course of action?
Oh my God.
Take video and photos and consider your legal options.
And that's ultimately what's going to make a difference.
In Towson, Maryland, I'm Kevin Lewis, ABC 7 News.